Hi everyone, welcome to the yet another episode of Banknifty Trading Pro 2.10, time tested method, clear strategy and consistent result. Today I will discuss about a very interesting topic. With the data I will guide you, I will show you how you can handle if the risk is high. That means if you see that today risk is high based on this trading strategy, then what to do I will show you today. I recommend you should check the description. In the descriptions I have given the link of that Excel sheet, or you will also can download a free guide, Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 ebook. In that ebook everything is written. I recommend you to go to the description, check the link and download the ebook. Now I am talking about a trading style where what you need to do is that you need to enter the data of the first few candles, open, high, low, close and 8 period exponential, which you can get from here. And once you enter the data, this is the data of the first 15-minute candle. Once this is not today's data, that is it is a example. Once you enter the data over here, you have to check what is the conditions in the step 2. Once you identify the conditions, you have to go to the same field. So it is says conditions 2, and you have to go to the conditions 2. Here is your trade plan ready. What will be entry, where you will buy, where you will place stop loss, when you will exit, what will be target, everything will comes under here. Now today I am talking about these things. I am talking about what to do if you find the risk is high. But just before that, we have completed 2 months, January and February in this year, and we are in a positions of 76,975. That is the net amount of the gain with this strategy in this year so far. We had a very good month of January where we have 42,850, and in this month February we ended at 34,125. But now I will show you one interesting fact, and the fact is that the question is that what to do if we see that risk is high. So what I did is that I take the data of all trade, January and February, and then I sorted the data according to risk amount. That means what was the risk. For example, in this trade, the trade was on 21st January, the risk was 90 point. Remember, whenever you enter the data into that Excel sheet, the Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 Excel sheet, it will tell you before you enter what is the risk. Now what I did here, I actually shortlisted all the trade of the last 2 months according to their risks. So for example, in this trade 21st January there was 90 point risk. So 90 point risk means 2225 0 point loss there was if the stop loss was triggered. So you know this figure already. So I sorted it accordingly, and I found that suppose you decide that if today the trade is the risk of the trade is below 6,000, only then I will trade. So I am a person, I don't want to risk more than 6,000. I entered the data in and I found that today there is a risk less than 6,000, which you can identify before you enter. Then you decide that if there is a 6,000 and below that 6,000 risk, then only I will trade. I will not trade if the risk is much higher. So in that case, if you fix your limit up to the 6,000, your profit comes around 39,050. Now you decide that no, few days the risk is more than 6,000, and limiting my risk up to the 6,000, I am missing some opportunity and I want to increase the risk. And you decided that you will you will increase the risks to 9,000, up to the 9,000. So I only take all those trade where up to this where the risk was 9,000. So if you decided that I will trade only if today risk is below 9,000, then your profits jumps to 90,875, and you can see that just increasing another 3,000 of risks, your profit potential increased by almost 50,000. I believe that in this strategy, this is the sweet spot. This is the sweet point. That means if you trade taking risks up to the 9,000 per day, the per trade is optimal, because you see now if you decide no, I will take the trade even where the risk was up to the 12,000, then your profit increased to 92,000. So you have increased your risks by 3,000, but your profit, no, there is no incremental. So from 9,000 to 12,000 jump is not required. So you, if you want to take risks up to 12,000, it's better don't trade if the risk is between 9,000 to 12,000, because this is better. Now if you increase further your risk, that means you decide that I will take trade only up to the limit of 15,000 if the risk is that. Then you have a 19,000 increment in your profit. So if there is an improvement. So you increase the risk by another 3,000, and your gain increased by another 20,000. Now you decide that no, whatever may be the risks, I will continue the trade. So what could be the risks, I will not put mind on that. In that case your profit comes a little lower. So in that case, if you decide that you will take risks up to the 20,000, that means every trade, then your profit comes 76,975. Now um, as of now, it seems that if you restrict trade risks up to the 9,000, this is the sweet spot. This is the optimal. Or if you want to trade all the trade, then I recommend, based on this data, trade only if the risk is below 15,000. It is the highest profit. Now but to gain this highest profit, you have to increase your risk by another 6,000. If you don't want, then selecting this zone, 9,000 risk zone, is more prudent. As of now, this is the case. I just follow the trading style where whatever may be the risks, I want to take the trade. But as of now, this is the case. So I believe that with that you have now fair idea about exactly in which situations, up to the which risk point you will take the risk. Based on your idea, you can select that. If you want more informations about it, you should actually contact in this WhatsApp number, that is 7440989344, or you can go to the descriptions. In the descriptions there is some free ebook for you to describing everything about this strategy. So go there, download that, and I will update you what is happening with this strategy in next. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.